Hello everyone, you are welcome back to the JavaScript quick note. So in the previous lesson we learned about variable declaration, where we look at the let keyword, the var keyword, and how you can declare your variables, right? So we do something like the let, and then we have let and number like this. So we declare a variable like this, right? So in this video we are going to look at how you can initialize a variable. So when you say a variable initialization, it means that you are trying to assign a data to your variable, right? And we have different ways that you can do that, right? So in here, I'm going to show you how you can initialize a variable. So let's that I've declared this variable as number, right? And I can see that number, right? So the number is going to be equal to, then I can now assign 50 to it like this. So right now I'm trying to say that this number is now holding 50. So when I'm trying to print this out or console.log it out like number, then I'm going to get 50 printing out to us, right? So when you look at the console, we are also getting 50 at number. So this means that this number is holding is holding 50. So this is how you can initialize a variable, and you can also choose to initialize it straight away with the declaration, right? So you can have the equal to sign over here straight away, and I can initialize it straight away like this, and it's also going to work for me. So this is how you can initialize a variable in JavaScript, right? Please make sure you subscribe to the channel and you like and you comment. Make sure you also share it with your friends. I'll see you guys in the next video. So in the next video, we'll be looking at what the variable identifiers, right? And I'll see you there. Bye.